Good morning. This is Frank with the Morning Quick Shot brought to you by Trade Stockers and InstaPro Traders. It is Wednesday, June 21st. It's about 6:55 Central Standard Time. First day of summer. It's getting hot here in Texas. I don't know about everywhere else. Let's get started. Looks like we had market open here at 35.75, overnight highs of 37.25. You can see we continue that downward momentum below the 24-hour VWAP down to our overnight low of 28.75. And we've worked our way back up almost to the open and then back down to the 24 VWAP, and we've bounced off of it at the bottom of this zone, and we're trying to push up now. Now, if this continues, we're going to come up obviously and retest the open at 35.75. It might go right through it, right to the open here, 37.75. We have a key area right here at actually 38. So be looking for counter trends or reversals up here in this area right here, 37 to 38. If you're looking and look for the pullback as it comes back on a retest, this open again, and then some consolidation before market, and then probably another move up if we've hit the bottom. Okay, and we'll move up into this next zone right up in here. But first, I'm only going to move all the way up here to 41. All right, 41 and pull back, retest probably somewhere in the neighborhood of yesterday's zone here at 39, and just kind of move right on up here. Okay. So if it does that, then look for the next move up, probably around 43. Look for it to come back and retest this area at 41, and then continue on up. Might get some hesitation right here at the top of the zone at 45.50. You can see this structure right here provide a little bit of resistance yesterday, so we want to watch that, and then pull back, bounce off of this again, or it might blow right through this. This is kind of a weird area here, so just be real cautious with this area between 45 and 44, yesterday's zone. All right, but if it can break through this, it's going to head up to yesterday's open, 47,775. Look for a little bit of pullback as the market gave some strength. Because if it's gone up this high, it's liable to go all the way up to yesterday's high at 51. Now, I don't expect it to go any higher than that today. It might be hard for it to get to 47 again, but we'll keep an eye on it, okay? Now, to the downside, if this just comes up and retests the open again, or if it fails somewhere between here and there, look for it to push down below the 24-hour VWAP and head straight down to overnight low of 28.75. Look for a little bit of bounce back up into this 32 area as the VWAP comes down. Where it meets it, look for it to reverse and head right back down into this zone 26 to 25 area. All right. After that, look for it to come back and retest this low again. Push right straight down to probably 23, 25, somewhere in that area. Test this zone and then head on down to the 21, 20s, and then further zones down to 17, 16, and 14. So this is where market profile is going to come in and take us to our next area. So let me move this up here real quick, and let's go look at market profile real quick. Now on a 235-minute chart, you can see some key areas of support. We came down here and go after it yesterday, or after on the 19th here, you can see where we hit this 51. Okay, pulled all the way back down to this 29.50. But you got to just be careful here. It's bounced off this zone and now it's pushing up here. And if we were to look at that, there's a possibility we can just rotate right here and pull back, okay, to right here and then start to climb up. Now, so be cautious of this. So we'd like to see the bounce off of this 29 area right here if it pulls back again. But since it did that once, it may not touch it. Go right up. Look for it to drive right up here to this 36, 37 area. Remember that 37? Give us a big fits yesterday. So be careful with that as it goes between 36, 37 up in here. Possibly run right up into 39 and then pull back, retest the 37 and push on it back up to double top of 51 if that's what the market has intent. All right, we have key areas up there. We'll talk about those other days because that's a long ways up there to get. So no higher than 50 today, 51, I wouldn't think. Anyway, we're back down here. If this fails and we start this continuation down, all right, look for the next target down here at 22. So these are key areas, 22 and all the way back down here to 16. And then here you got, the 14, you got this little zone for it to push off again. If we start dropping below that, we got areas at '07 and '04 to watch for. All right. Also from former retracements, this '04 area we talked about before, so be cautious of that. So that's some really good support in here, and that may be the bottom. Of course, psychologically, they may want to run us all the way down to 2400 right down to here. All right. You can see other retracements have come back into this area. So that's what I have today. If you got any questions, contact Frank at TradeStalkers.com and have a great day.